So behind me we have the Velsheda JK7 project that we took on. Basically the tender had a tough season in the Caribbean with the owner and the crew. It sat on the deck all the way across the Atlantic. The big boat was going into the refit in the UK, and the captain decided that the tender wasn't going to get the attention that it needed where it was, so he called up Superyacht tender support, and it arrived with us with an extensive job list of what needed done. There was also a lot of emergent work that appeared that we worked with the captain with cost reports and also daily emails about getting the specification right. We gave him a price, we stuck to the price, and now we're getting ready to send it back. A lot of the work that we did with the tender, we did the tubes, massive tube repair. We also did a big polish and clean of the tubes to make it look new. We had new upholstery with custom logos, we did gel coat repairs, gel coat polishing, full engine service, full leg service. Internal of the boat had water in it, so we put inspection hatches in there so that the crew can inspect and get that out in the future. We also did a stainless polish and also an electrical upgrade, electrical wiring and electrical systems upgrade as well for the captain, which was requested. We had a tight time frame to turn this around in, to get it in, get the work done, which we did in-house, project managed in-house, stuck to the price, and now we're turning it around. Hopefully in the next half hour the truck arrives and takes it back to the big boat, ready to go for the season. And we wish the crew and the JK7 all the luck racing this summer.